Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas at the Gilbert compound. There's a lot of stuff that's been going on since I've been off the air. Wow, I got a new name. The new name is Bob the Voice Gilbert. It was given to me by Jeff the Fireman of Sons of Fire. Wow, I am flabbergastedly amazing. I'm so honored that he'd come up with a name for me. It was totally awesome. Totally awesome. Follow me on Facebook and future other things at Bob the Voice Gilbert. Hashtag Bob the Voice Gilbert, and you will find me. No problem. All right, so with that out of the way, check it out. I won a pepper eating contest. The Hurt Me Daddy division, which is basically the cruiserweight. So I didn't win this belt. I know that sounds cool. I've had this for about 10 years. John Cena's belt. Hey, check it out. DDP signed it. I've got some signatures from, that's Tim Storm, the very first AW, or the newest, you know who Tim Storm is, or you just don't know who he is. Let me see here. I got Tommy Dreamer signed it. Bobby Eaton. Hey, you know who Bobby Eaton is, right? Bobby Eaton is Randy Orton's daddy. And check this out. I've got Jerry the King Lawler, y'all. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Anywho, I love my belt. It's pretty cool. Not really a John Cena fan, although I do like what he does with kids. So I think that's pretty awesome. But as a wrestler, I don't particularly care for John Cena, but I love his belts. The United States belt is totally awesome. All right. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and put this up. And the fun's out of the way now. I'll put that back on its mantle where it goes eventually. And man, it was crazy. I was in this pepper eating contest and I won. And, I've still got a few left. And, oh my God, it was so awesome. It was totally awesome. Anyway, I'm very honored to have been part of Sons of Fire. I'm still a part of Sons of Fire, League of Fire. I'm on the list now. I'm on the League of Fire list. I mean, I won a championship, so now I have like 7 points in League of Fire. So now, some of my challenges that I do on this channel, I can give to them in the League of Fire, and they will be a part of my championship, or it'll be a part of my thing, and I can move on up. So that's really cool. So I'm getting all this stuff's going on. And anywho, Randy Carlo sent me a package. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I've already opened it because I felt like opening it and seeing what it was. I was sorry. I know y'all like me opening stuff, but I was just flabbergasted. Anyway, he sent me this wonderful, sweet, heartfelt letter. Hey Bob, here's a little something for being you. I appreciate your videos. Thank you so much. Please enjoy the tink in the vanilla abstract. Also, you have the very first Swamp Scorcher. That is freaking beautiful. There's nothing else I can say. That's beautiful. It is a beautiful pepper. All right. Please save the seeds to grow out. Not a problem. From this point forward, it'll be called the Swamp Scorcher in my list. Thank you, sir. Happy growing and keep awesome. PSI, I really don't know what kind of pepper this is, but that's the name it was given. Fair enough to me. So let's check out this stuff he's got. These extracts. And by the way, the other division, the heavyweight division, was called Dead Inside. And Dead Inside was won by a guy that you may know. He's a pretty awesome dude. His name is Menace, the Atomic Menace. Now, the Atomic Menace and I, at some point, have to meet online and have a match per se, and see who's going to win. Now, I would bet on the Menace if I was you. That man is a machine. But let me tell you something. I don't say no to a challenge. I don't back down from a challenge. And I'm sure as hell not going to just say, you know, I can't beat the guy, so I'm not even going to try. Because I am American, and I believe in miracles. It's kind of like Hornswoggle going up against Andre the Giant. Hornswoggle ain't got a chance in hell of beating Andre. But you know what? Hornswoggle's going to keep going and keep going until he's out. And I'll be falling on the floor. Possibly. Who knows? But anyway, if you're not a member of the Sons of Fire YouTube channel, I'm going to put a link in the description below of my championship. And you can watch that video. And please, be so kind to go ahead and subscribe to them. They're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. We're just a few guys, like 100 of us, 70 of us right now. We're trying to get up to 100. And we're trying to revolutionize this pepper community. And our brothers are from the League of Fire, and we are Sons of Fire. So please help us out. Thanks. Now, without further ado, let's check out these wonderful tinks that was sent to me by that very nice man, Randy. All right. He packed these things really good, by the way. He really did. Totally awesome. I'm going to eat this pepper on another video. Wow, that's a huge, huge bottle. This is pure Madagascar vanilla extract. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Let's try this other one here. Let's check it out. All right. Man. Swamp Punch. You know, I've heard rumors about this Swamp Punch. I have. I've heard rumors about this. I was told that it was kind of like having fruit punch with a kick. So we're going to give it a shot right now. Fruit punch with a kick. This video might be a little longer. You'll get over it. I appreciated the Sons of Fire for letting me in that competition. And I'm going to do a full Robbie. I don't even know what this is. Wow, there ain't no Robbie there. Whoa! Kind of leaked on me a little bit. Alright, let's see what's got going on. So you're probably wondering, what is a full Robbie? Well, for some reason, somebody come up with the idea that a full Robbie is this here is a Robbie, and a full Robbie is this. So here we go. Wow. That's pretty good. Wow. That's got a nice little kick to it. Huh. I like that. That's getting me right here. My whole mouth is kind of got a nice burn to it. That's pretty good. That's really good. That's really, really good. If I get any more gifts in the mail from my win, I'll do another video. These guys are so nice. I mean, the Sons of Fire, if you get an opportunity and you want to join a group that is all about chili and all about helping other people, that's what you need to do. You need to, when we open it up again, you can't be a founding member, but you can get in it. If it does cost money, but it's worth it because we love each other. We take care of each other. That's what he says. We take care of each other. All right, this is vanilla. I have no idea what to expect except that it's vanilla. I don't think there's any heat in it, but maybe there is. Another super full Robbie. Okay, that actually calmed down the swamp punch. So that's good. Yeah, that calmed that down. All right, that's pretty cool stuff. Pure Madagascar vanilla extract. That was amazing. I really enjoyed that. If y'all get a chance, y'all need to go over there and check him out. That's totally awesome. Good stuff. Carlos Swamp Punch. Wow. I'm honored. And I'm going to be eating this in another video because this video is getting too long. Plus I'm sweating a bit. Forgot to turn the air conditioner on when I left this morning. Whew. All right. So, without further ado, the champ is on his way out. Thank y'all so much for being a part of this. Thank y'all for being my friends. A special thanks to Annie out there. I really appreciate everything you're doing. And Jared, I appreciate you. Jeff, the fireman, I appreciate you. Jeff the cop, I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody out there that's been helping me out. Daniel, everybody. Y'all are some really cool guys and girls. Nicole, oh my gosh, you've done a great job, Nicole. But anyway, I need y'all to like, add, subscribe, and comment. And man, oh, Corey. Jeez, I'm so sorry. I forgot about Corey. Man, you're awesome too, buddy. Man, all these people, they're so nice. Y'all help me out. God bless America. God bless you. God bless our president. And the only thing in the world that matters is Old Glory. Because without Old Glory, they ain't gonna be no you. And if I don't see you again before Election Day, you vote your conscience. Whatever that is. I don't care who you vote for, vote. Because if you don't vote, I don't want to hear you complain about who wins or loses. All right? Get out there and go vote. It don't matter who you vote for. I'm not going to tell you who to vote for. That's not my job. That's not who I am. I just want you to vote for who you want to vote for. Just make sure you know what their values are and make sure it's the same values that you believe in. Okay? God bless you. I love each and every single one of y'all. Have a nice and glorious day. Peace out. I love you. Bye.